Welcome to our channel, NETGEAR AX3600 Wi-Fi 6 Access Point Easy Setup Guide. Unbox and plug in. Rip open the box, grab the AP power cable and any mounting bits. Plug it in near your router first. Don't worry about final placement yet. The lights will start blinking, that's normal. Connect to your network. You can either use Ethernet or Wi-Fi. For setup, Ethernet is easier. Plug one end into your router or switch, the other into the AP. You want that link light solid. Power it up. Hit the power button if it has one. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for it to boot. Lights blinking? Cool, that's it. Trying to figure itself out. Grab the NETGEAR app or web login. You can do this in two ways. App, NETGEAR Nighthawk app, iOS, Android. Open it, follow the prompts. Web, connect to the AP via browser. Default IP is usually 192.168.1.250, or check the sticker on the unit. Login, default creds are admin, password. Change them immediately. Seriously, hackers love default login. Set SSID and password. Pick a name you like. Make it something you'll actually recognize. Set a solid password. WPA3 if your device is supported. No 1234567 nonsense. Update firmware. Do it now. Don't skip. Latest firmware fixes bugs and random reboots. App makes it easy, or you can do it in the web interface. Place it properly. Don't hide it in a closet. High central open space is best. Keep it away from thick walls, microwaves, cordless phones. You'll thank yourself later. Test the connection. Use your phone or laptop, walk around, make sure speeds are solid. If not, tweak placement or channels. Just move it a little and retest. Thank you for watching.